what we have is on your bench, you will find that you have a box, looks like that. Okay, so we've got a box and we've got 3 samples that are in front of you there, so that they look basically like that. Now the keys to what we're doing is that what we want to do is we want you to go home basically with something that you feel that you've achieved and that you can turn around at home and say, oh, look what I did. Because this is the whole principle of where we're going, is that we need to spread the word. We need you to then turn around and think about it. And the more you look at these things, you can turn around and say, I could use that by adding this on there and doing these things that we've tried before. I know you said the other day, Peter. I've often used, because of the way we use Jarrah, there are often keys or splits or pieces on the burl. Thank you, Ian. And the basis of it is to sort of use it to, instead of hiding a feature, make it a decorative feature. And that's really what this is about. So you've got a box. I would suggest that the box is something you leave for tomorrow, and that the samples that you've got are what we're playing with today. So what you really need to do is to work on these, and there's plenty available if you've got some concern. Try them out, see what you like, try different patterns, try different things. There are, amongst what we've got here, there are all sorts of bits and pieces that are available. These were some I picked up because they can be as simple or as complicated as you like. You can cover the whole box or the whole piece, or I found actually doing part of it and leaving some spare is more effective, because less is more, if you like. There's a lot of designs that are typically Japanese. It doesn't matter, it's entirely up to you. There are 2 rolls or that of all different sizes of tape. So you can go thin, you can go thick, you can go both, you can cover it in. The idea being is that to try the different techniques, we need to get you started, to get you onto these things so that you can carry on and experiment. We're here, we've got all day. We need to try these things. So we're talking about it probably before morning tea, showing you what it is. You can practice whenever you like. But this afternoon, we're moving on for other things. Doesn't mean to say we're stopping. It just means we've got other things to show, that instead of putting the gold leaf on the box, you can try something else. You just go home with the sample pieces that you tried. So don't use all the sample pieces on the gold. We've got other things we need to show you. And then you can use that with your knowledge, if you like, tomorrow to say, I really like that, or I like a mixture of both, and I want to try the different techniques and stuff like that on it. So that's really where we're at, and that's what we're going to get down to. So stop talking about it, get on with it.